Today we're going to learn the Bible's key to a happy and wise life, the 9th chapter of Proverbs. This chapter teaches us how to choose the right path in life by listening to wisdom and avoiding foolishness. 1. What we learn from this chapter. Proverbs 9 teaches us many powerful lessons. Wisdom invites you to a better life. It offers guidance, discipline, and a safe path, but only if you are ready to listen. Wisdom prepares everything with care. This shows us that planning and order create strong foundations in life. Wisdom openly calls even the simple and inexperienced. Anyone can grow if they are willing. True growth begins when we leave our old, careless habits and choose a wiser lifestyle. A wise person accepts correction calmly, while a foolish person gets angry and refuses to change. When you teach a wise person, they become even wiser. Learning never stops. Respecting and honoring God is the most important step toward real wisdom. Living by wisdom brings long life, peace, stability, and blessings that keep growing. Foolishness also calls loudly, but it hides danger and slowly leads people to destruction. And finally, what looks fun or attractive at first can become the most dangerous if it pulls us away from wisdom. 2. Example. Story of Ruth and Orpah. To understand Proverbs 9 better, let's look at an example from the Bible, the story of Ruth and Orpah. Naomi had two daughters-in-law, Ruth and Orpah. Both had to choose a path after their husbands died. Orpah chose the easy and familiar path. She returned to her old home and old lifestyle. Her decision represents the call of foolishness, comfortable at first, but without deep blessings. Ruth chose the harder but wiser path by staying with Naomi and following the true God. Her decision represents the call of wisdom, difficult at first but leading to honor and life. Ruth worked hard, stayed loyal, and trusted God even when life felt uncertain. Because of her wise choices, God blessed her with protection through Boaz. Later, Ruth became part of Jesus' family line, showing that wisdom brings long-term blessings. This story teaches us that easy choices may look good now, but wise choices build a strong future. And Proverbs 9 is fulfilled in this story. Wisdom leads to life, while foolishness leads to emptiness. 3. Questions to yourself. Before we continue, here are some questions to think about. These questions help you check your heart and your daily decisions. Which voice am I following more? Wisdom or foolishness? What is one area where I must stop my old habits and choose a wiser path? How do I react when someone corrects me, calmly or with anger? Am I choosing the easy path like Orpah or the right path like Ruth? What decision am I facing right now that needs God's wisdom? Do I respect God in my daily actions, or do I ignore His guidance? What wise habit can I start today to make my future stronger? Which friends or influences are pulling me toward foolishness? When was the last time I truly listened to God's voice instead of my own comfort? And finally, if I follow wisdom like Ruth, how will my life look after 1 year? After 5 years? 4. Practical things to do. Now we come to the final part. Practical things you can do every day to follow wisdom. Start your day with 5 minutes of quiet prayer, asking God for wisdom. Write down one foolish habit and replace it with one wiser habit. Accept correction for 1 whole day without arguing. Just listen. Avoid one easy but harmful thing today like junk food, gossip, laziness, or overscrolling. Choose one hard but good thing today like helping someone, studying, or cleaning. Spend just 10 minutes reading one chapter of the Bible. Consistency builds wisdom. Keep distance from one foolish influence, a friend, habit, account, or place that pulls you down. Plan your day in a small notebook. Wisdom always prepares first. Do one kind act secretly without expecting anything in return. End your day by asking, did I follow wisdom or foolishness today? And note one thing to improve tomorrow. 5. Thank you. I hope this chapter helps you choose wisdom every day and build a strong, blessed future.